Welcome back to the channel, coin collectors and treasure hunters. Today, we're diving into one of the most mysterious and valuable small coins in American numismatic history, the United States silver wheat penny 1-cent coin. While most Lincoln wheat pennies were made from copper, a very small number were accidentally struck on silver-colored steel planchets, making them incredibly rare and highly desirable among collectors. These rare silver wheat pennies have become auction legends, with some examples selling for thousands and even hundreds of thousands of dollars depending on their mint mark and condition. In this video, we'll explore the top 2 most valuable silver wheat pennies and uncover what makes them so extraordinary. So let's get started. First up, the 1943 United States silver wheat penny with no mint mark in black condition. At first glance, this coin may look old, dirty, or even damaged, but in the world of rare coin collecting, its unusual color and historic background could make it an incredibly valuable treasure hiding in plain sight. The United States Mint made a dramatic change in 1943 during World War II when copper was urgently needed for military equipment like ammunition and electrical wiring. Because of this shortage, the Mint stopped producing traditional bronze pennies and instead created the Lincoln wheat penny using zinc-coated steel. These coins are often called silver pennies because of their shiny steel appearance when new. The 1943 wheat penny without a mint mark was produced at the Philadelphia Mint, which means it does not carry a D or S mint mark. Over time, many of these steel pennies lost their original coating due to circulation and environmental exposure, turning dark gray or even black, which makes them look very different from normal coins. The United States of America 1943 silver wheat penny has several distinctive features that make it stand out. The front of the coin shows the profile of President Abraham Lincoln along with the inscriptions, "In God We Trust, Liberty," and the date 1943. On the reverse side, the coin displays 2 wheat stalks surrounding the words, 1 cent, and United States of America. Unlike traditional copper pennies, this coin is made from steel coated with zinc, which gives it magnetic properties. In many circulated examples today, the zinc coating has worn away and oxidation has caused the surface to appear black or dark, which is actually one of the reasons collectors find certain pieces more interesting and unique. Although millions of 1943 steel pennies were produced, finding one today in unusual black condition without a mint mark can be exciting for collectors. Some of these coins developed rare surface tones due to aging and environmental exposure, and collectors often search for well-preserved or uniquely toned examples. The historical significance of wartime coin production adds another layer of demand, as these coins represent a time when everyday currency was directly impacted by global events. Coin collectors and auction houses continue to pay attention to these steel cents because of their story, composition, and scarcity in collectible condition. The value of a 1943 silver wheat penny without mint mark in black condition can vary widely depending on its preservation and authenticity. While heavily circulated examples might sell for a few dollars, certain well-preserved coins with unique toning or minimal damage have been known to reach values ranging from $309,000 at auction. In exceptional cases where the coin maintains strong details and an attractive dark surface, prices can climb even higher, especially when certified by professional grading services. If you believe you have a 1943 steel wheat penny, one simple test is to check if it is magnetic, since steel coins will stick to a magnet while copper coins will not. Always avoid cleaning the coin, even if it looks dirty or black, because cleaning can significantly reduce its value. Proper storage in a protective holder can help prevent further corrosion or damage. It is also wise to have your coin evaluated by a professional coin grading service to determine its authenticity and market worth before attempting to sell it. The 1943 United States silver wheat penny without mint mark in black condition is more than just spare change. It is a historical artifact from a time when the world was at war, and even the smallest coins played a role in supporting the nation's resources. Whether you are a seasoned collector or someone just checking old coins at home in Pakistan, this tiny steel cent could hold surprising value in today's auction market. Next up, the 1943 United States silver wheat penny with no mint mark in rusty condition is one of the most talked about coins among collectors today. While many people assume that rust means a coin is worthless, this particular 1-cent coin can still hold surprising value in the rare coin auction market. In fact, some rusty examples of this historic wartime penny have sold for impressive amounts in dollars, simply because of their background, composition, and scarcity in collectible form. In 1943, during World War, copper became an essential material needed for military supplies such as ammunition and communication wiring. Because of this urgent demand, the United States Mint made a major change in penny production by replacing the traditional bronze composition with zinc-coated steel. This gave the Lincoln wheat penny its silver-like appearance, even though it contained no actual silver. The 1943 wheat penny without a mint mark was produced at the Philadelphia Mint, which traditionally does not use a mint mark on its coins. Over time, as the zinc coating wore off due to circulation and exposure to moisture, many of these steel pennies began to corrode and develop a rusty surface. This historic 1-cent coin from the United States of America features the portrait of President Abraham Lincoln on the obverse side, along with the inscriptions, "Liberty, in God We Trust," and the year 1943. The reverse side displays the classic wheat stalk design surrounding the words, 1 cent, and United States of America. Unlike copper pennies, this steel coin is magnetic, which makes it easy to identify using a simple magnet test. The rusty condition seen on many of these coins today is caused by oxidation after the protective zinc coating wears away, exposing the steel core underneath. Although millions of these steel pennies were produced in 1943, rusty examples with clear details and no mint mark are still of interest to collectors. Some collectors actually seek out coins in naturally aged condition because they reflect the coin's true historical journey through circulation. The connection to World War II and the unique steel composition makes this coin an important part of American numismatic history, which continues to drive collector demand even for pieces that are not in perfect condition. The value of a 1943 silver wheat penny without mint mark in rusty condition depends greatly on how much detail remains visible and whether the corrosion has caused severe damage. Lightly rusted examples with readable features may sell for $634,000 in today's coin market. Coins that retain stronger design details despite the rust can reach several $634,000 at auction, especially when authenticated by professional grading services. Rarely, well-preserved rusty examples with appealing natural toning may achieve even higher prices depending on collector interest. If you find a 1943 silver penny that appears rusty, never attempt to clean or polish it, as this can permanently reduce its value. Check if the coin sticks to a magnet to confirm its steel composition. Store the coin in a dry and protective holder to prevent further corrosion. Most importantly, consider having the coin evaluated by a professional grading company before selling it, as authentication can significantly increase buyer confidence in the auction market. The 1943 United States silver wheat penny without mint mark in rusty condition is a powerful reminder that even worn or aged coins can carry significant historical and monetary value. Whether discovered in an old collection or hidden among spare change in your home, this wartime steel cent might be worth far more than its face value. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video about the rare 1943 United States silver wheat penny, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing coin discoveries that could be worth big money in dollars. Stay tuned for more hidden treasures you might already have in your pocket.